Have you ever said something really simple and still got completely misunderstood? You walk away thinking, I was so clear, so what went wrong? Here's what usually happens. The message travels, but emotions jump in between. What was neutral now feels personal. Then the story gets reported, not as facts, but as feelings.
What? That's not what I meant.
Because we don't hear messages as adults all the time. Sometimes we hear like a child, emotional, sometimes like a parent, judging. Trust begins to rebuild when someone asks just one powerful question. What exactly happened? This is where the tone changes. No blaming, no defending. Just, let's figure this out calmly.
And when someone feels heard,
trust quietly walks back in.
Because clarity doesn't fight conflict. Clarity replaces it. We trust people not because they're perfect,